Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the OpenBB terminal, a free research and trading tool that grants you access to a staggering amount of market data without requiring a Wall Street salary. When I first fired it up, it felt like having a mini Bloomberg terminal on my desk, minus the part where I have to sell a kidney to pay the subscription fees. Because let's be honest, we all know how much the financial industry loves charging you for the privilege of looking at numbers. The platform runs in a command line window, which might make you look like a 1990s movie hacker, but it's actually quite simple once you stop being intimidated by the lack of pretty icons. The real magic of OpenBB is the sheer volume of information available at your fingertips. You can scout stocks, crypto, ETFs, Forex, and even those macroeconomic indicators that everyone pretends to understand. In just a few seconds, you can pull up company financials, analyst ratings, and insider trades with a single command. The data loads almost instantly, which is a refreshing change of pace if you're used to waiting for your browser to stop crying every time you open more than 2 tabs. It's almost like the software actually wants to be helpful for a change. The charting tools are equally impressive, offering clean visuals and the ability to compare tickers or export images whenever you need to justify your portfolio's performance. The commands are easy to memorize, so you'll be navigating like a pro in no time. Of course, the only real downside is that beginners might feel a bit twitchy since there are no shiny buttons or menus to click on. Yes, you actually have to type words, a truly terrifying prospect for the emoji generation. However, the learning curve is manageable, and the built-in help menus are there to hold your hand. Overall, OpenBB is a powerhouse for anyone wanting serious market data without the soul-crushing fees. It's definitely worth a try, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.